Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to customize error bar of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take a chart. And we can see here added a error bar of this chart. Now we want to customize this error bar. Click the error bar and click right button on our mouse. Then go to the error bar option. Otherwise, you can click the chart and click chart element. Then click the error bar and go to the more option. Then we customize this error bar. Click series 1. Now we customize this error bar minus, plus or both. Otherwise, no cap or cap. You can change the percentage of standard device. Now we can see here we customize this error bar very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.